Have a look at how you can make an onion cough syrup. So you need a jar, and you'll put a layer of onion in the bottom of the jar. The layer of onion may be about 1/2 inch, and then you put a spoonful of honey on that. So we'll put our spoonful of honey on that, and whether it's a runny honey like this or whether it's a solid honey, they will both work. So now we're putting in another layer of onion. Works very well with honey, and honey can be very soothing too on a sore throat. So now we cut up and do another layer. So we put another layer in and another layer of honey. Now the sky's the limit with how you make this. You can put garlic in there, you can put ginger in there as well if you like. Now our last layer goes in, and you end with a layer of honey.